Good morning and namaste children. In today's English lesson, we are going to study a poem from our Bal Bharti book, I Love Little Pussy. But before understanding and reading the poem, I am going to tell you some interesting facts about cats. Cats are one of the most popular pets in the world. Children, a group of cats is called a clodder. A male cat, that is a boy cat, is called Tom, and a female cat, that is a girl cat, is called Molly or Queen, and a baby cat is called a kitten. Cats are supposed to be one of the cleanest animals as they always clean their body by licking their coat. Cats spend a lot of their lives sleeping. They actually sleep to around 13 to 16 hours a day. Another interesting fact I want you to know is lions, tigers, leopards, jaguars, cheetahs are also cats, but they are wild cats and they are dangerous too. Children, you now know many interesting facts about cats. Let us now try to understand the poem from our Bal Bharti textbook. A pet cat is called a pussy cat. The hair on any animal body is called as the coat or fur of the animal. Children, you must always love your pets as they are like your family members. Be it your pet or not, never trouble any animal as they can be dangerous and can harm you in return. Children, even pet animals get bored. They also need to exercise. They need someone who can play with them. So, if you have pets at home, play with them and they will love you more. Cats always want to be cozy. They like to stay warm, so they enjoy sitting by the fireside. And lastly, if you have pet cats at home, you must give them healthy food to eat and clean water to drink so that they stay healthy and stay happily with you. Children, let's read the poem and understand the meaning of each of the stanzas in it. And then we will see what message the poet has to convey or to tell us through the poem. I love little pussy. I'll read the first stanza first and then explain its meaning. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm. And if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. So children, in this stanza, the poet or the little girl here is telling us that she loves her pet cat Pussy and her coat, that is her fur or her hair on her body, is very warm and cozy. The girl also says that she will not hurt or trouble her pet cat in any way, and so her pet cat will not harm her at all. Now the second stanza. So I'll not pull her tail, nor drive her away, but Pussy and I very gently will play. So in this stanza, that is the second stanza, the little girl tells us that she will not hurt her pet cat Pussy by pulling her tail or by driving her away from her home, that is telling her to go away from her home. But she will very quietly, very kindly, very gently will play with her, and her pet cat will also play with her. Let's read the third stanza. I'll sit by the fire and give her some food, and Pussy will love me as I'm gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. So in this stanza, the little girl is telling us that she and her pet pussycat
will sit by the fire, that is near a fireplace. As told to you that cats love to be cozy and they love to be warm. And when she is sitting near the fireside, the little girl will give her pet pussycat some food. And it is because of all the kindness, the love and the gentleness that is shown towards her pet pussycat, the pussycat will also love her all the more. So children, through this poem, we have learned to be kind to animals, not to hurt them in any way. Treat them very kindly, very lovingly, very gently. And in return, they will also love you and will never, never harm you. Thank you.
Children, here are some word meanings you need to know. The first one is drive. To force someone to leave. That means to tell someone to go away. The next is pussy. That is a pet cat. And the third one is coat. That means fur of a cat. You will also need to learn the spellings of new words given here, and we will be writing them in our notebooks too. The first word is coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. The second one is hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt. The third one is harm. H-A-R-M. Harm. The fourth word is tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. The fifth one is drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. The sixth word is gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y. Gently. The seventh word is fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. And the eighth one is gentle. G-E-N-T-L-E. Gentle.